2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 397 is a bold statement from Chevrolet that blends classic American muscle heritage with modern engineering, technology, and design sophistication. From the moment you see it, this car commands attention with its aggressive stance, sculpted body lines, and performance-driven details. The exterior design has been refined to look sleeker, yet more intimidating than ever before. At the front, the wide grille with the prominent Chevrolet body emblem is framed by sharp LED headlamps, while the redesigned front bumper integrates aerodynamic elements for improved airflow and downforce. The long, low hood features a subtle power bulge, hinting at the power that lies beneath, while the muscular fenders emphasize its athletic proportions. Along the sides, you can see the perfectly contoured body lines leading to the rear, where quad exhaust tips and a new LED design give the car a modern but fierce look. The wide rear stance not only makes the Camaro look more planted, but also enhances its stability at high speeds. The optional performance package adds a carbon fiber spoiler, unique alloy wheels, and exclusive badging to make it stand out even more. Stepping inside the 2026 Camaro SS 397, you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that combines luxury with race-inspired design. The seats are deeply bolstered, offering excellent support for spirited driving while still being comfortable. For long-distance cruising, upholstery options include premium leather with contrast stitching, Alcantara inserts, and even carbon fiber trim for a more performance-oriented feel. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features multifunction controls, along with paddle shifters for manual gear changes. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to display performance metrics, navigation, or traditional gauges depending on their preference. In the center console, an updated 11-inch infotainment touchscreen runs Chevrolet's latest MyLink system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and advanced voice controls. The interior also benefits from premium materials, improved sound insulation, and a refined cabin layout, making it equally enjoyable for everyday driving and high-performance adventures. Ambient LED lighting adds a touch of modern flair, with multiple color options that can be set to match the driver's mood. The Camaro also offers a premium audio system from Bose, delivering crystal-clear sound even when you're pushing the car to its limits. Performance is where the 2026 Camaro SS 397 truly shines. Under the hood lies a 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 640 pounds-ft of torque. This power is delivered through a choice of a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic for those who want maximum acceleration with minimal effort. The car can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and has a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour, making it a serious contender in the high-performance coupe segment. Chevrolet's engineers have worked on improving the chassis balance and handling with a revised suspension system, magnetic ride control, and performance-tuned steering for razor-sharp response. Brembo high-performance brakes ensure that stopping power matches the car's immense speed capabilities, while an electronic limited-slip differential optimizes traction in various driving conditions. The Camaro SS 397 also comes with multiple drive modes, including Tours, Sport, Track, and a customizable My mode, allowing the driver to tailor the car's throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering weight, and exhaust note to their exact liking. Fuel efficiency is not the primary concern for a car in this category, but Chevrolet has integrated cylinder deactivation technology and improved aerodynamics to help the Camaro achieve respectable numbers for its class. On highways, it can manage around 21 mpg, while in the city it stays closer to 14 mpg, which is impressive considering the level of performance on tap. Safety has also been taken seriously, with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. These systems are seamlessly integrated so they don't detract from the pure driving experience but still offer peace of mind for daily driving. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 397 offers incredible value for the performance and technology it delivers. The base price starts at around $56,000, making it highly competitive against rivals like the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, fully loaded with premium interior materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and the performance package. The price can climb to around $72,000, considering the blend of power, style, technology, and heritage. Many enthusiasts will see this as a worthwhile investment. Chevrolet has also announced a special launch edition for the SS 397, which will include unique paint colors, serialized plaques, and exclusive interior touches for collectors. The 2026 Camaro SS 397 isn't just another sports car, it's a celebration of American muscle brought into the modern age. It respects its legendary past while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and refined engineering. It delivers the thrill of raw V8 power, the precision of a modern sports coupe, and the comfort of a daily driver, all in one package. Whether you're cruising on the highway, tearing down a back road, or showing it off at a car meet, the Camaro SS 397 guarantees an experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. For those who crave speed, style, and a piece of muscle. Car history. This is a machine that delivers on every promise and leaves you wanting more every time you press the start button.